Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. The first way would be to go to the Sequence tab at the top left part of the Premiere, and we're going to click on Sequence Settings. From here, we can change the frame size, and for example, if you want the ratio of 9:16, you can change the horizontal size to 1080 and the vertical to 1920. And that would give us a ratio of 9:16, which is a vertical form of the video. Just hit OK. And you can then go to Effect Controls and adjust the scale and the position so that your subject remains centered. The second way would be to go to the Sequence tab again and click on Auto Reframe Sequence. And from here, we are going to select the target aspect ratio. And for example, you want the vertical form of video again. Just select vertical 9:16 and click on Create. And that should resize our video as well, or change the aspect ratio. And that is how you can basically change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.